Today I am unboxing BenQ GW2283 monitor, which is too stylish. So this is the box. Box is already mentioned stylish monitor with eye care technology, and this is the 22-inch screen. So this monitor come with 22-inch. Model is already mentioned in box GW2283 GW series. So today I will show you the unboxing of this monitor. So seems to be nice packaging, and on this it is already written BenQ GW series GW2283. Opposite side same information have been mentioned. Okay, so let's begin. Let me do unboxing. You can also purchase from Flipkart, Amazon if you want this monitor. If you buy this monitor, this is the price of monitor is not too cost. Not to worry about the cost. I will show you what is the price of this monitor at end of the video. So let me unboxing this box. So I'm going to be unboxing this. So let me take out this packaging. So in this box you will get VGA cable. Okay. So next the stand of this BenQ monitor. Okay. And one power cable, okay, and surface stand, okay, and driver CD and online warranty card, okay. So let me keep side these things. So let me take it out monitor from the box. Seems good. Let me take it out from this. If you will talk about the design of this monitor, this design of monitor is awesome. Okay. So if we will talk about this monitor, it have 4 buttons and we have 5 control button over it. Okay, and if I will show you, we have 2 HDMI options. Okay, we have 2 HDMI options inbuilt, and we have VGA cable option. Okay, and one power coding option is also available to give power to PC monitor. Okay, and you can see the design of monitor. It's awesome. Okay, and if you will talk about the more, so this monitor have adaptive light sensor, bright sensor. So this is the sensor, and it's detect light of room, and as per adaptive control, it's assess the light of monitor. It is the extensive feature of this monitor, which I love to buy, and this monitor is awesome. If you will watch 4K videos, you can easily watch 4K videos as well. I will show you at last how 4K video is visible in this monitor. So for gaming purpose also you can use this monitor. This is very addictive monitor for the gaming purpose, so you can buy this monitor for gaming purpose as well. So next I will show you. So as you can see how it's look little far, you can see the look of this monitor. Okay, so this this is the stand, this is the surface of stand, and this is have massive made with massive. Okay, so this is the surface stand of this monitor. So we will connect this, how we will connect this stand with surface of monitor. Here I will show you the way. So you can see we have to just push this as this way, and we have to tighten this nut, this screw. Okay, okay, so this is how we have to see how it's look now. Okay, the stand now it looks like massive way. The look of stand is massive, awesome. So now we will connect this stand with LED. So here is the option. Okay, so just what we have to do, we have to push the stand, literally just we have to push, and that's it. So our PC monitor is ready with the stand. You can see now the PC look. If you will talk about the PC look, it is just looks like expensive and very attractive after putting the stand with monitor. So see how our now monitor looks like. Okay, so now we will talk about its audio part. This PC have two inbuilt speakers, but the speakers nearby the buttons. Here it is, one is here and one is here. Okay, and it's have two audio jack. One is to put your headphone, and one is to line in. You can record your mic as well. Okay, so you can see audio jacks are available here. Okay, so this PC comes with two HDMI port and one BGA port, and inbuilt speakers are available. Okay, hope my screen is visible and you can see the 4K videos in this monitor. This have a awesome quality and a awesome view of this in 4K qualities. As you can see, I am already playing 4K qualities videos in my screen, and the detective of videos you can view. So you guys have already seen the clarity of 4K videos. If you want to play another see the addictive quality of this 4K videos, looks so messy, so messy. So this BenQ totally made me excessive. Even I bought this BenQ monitor for playing games and watching videos. So this is totally awesome. Now if you will talk about the price of this monitor is not too much expensive. This cost 8,000 only. So you can buy this from Flipkart or Amazon. Price is the same in the both window. So hope you like our videos. We have shown you the unboxing of BenQ model. We have already taught you on starting of video. So this monitor have one more quality. I will show you out. So like if I will talk about, so like you can also put your cable inside of this bottom. So, as I'm showing you, you can also put cables from this corner. Even you can also take it out your HDMI cables, and you can also keep this in this row. This is the external option is available in this BenQ. So now here I am keeping these cables. Okay, see. Okay, so now you can cover up this box. This way you can cover up your box. So this is also the nice feature of this monitor. Even you can put your cable inside of your corner of your stand. So this is the best feature in this monitor. So hope you like our videos. We will see you in next videos. So bye bye guys, take care.